Hello, friends. You're welcome to another episode of Why Wait. I'm still your wellness consultant, Dr. Feishayo. Today, I want to address a particular feedback that I have been getting from a whole lot of my patients. Actually, yes, almost 99% of my patients have given me this particular feedback. Now, first of all, I am a natural medicine practitioner. I don't do anything chemicals. I do everything through nature. And that's why you see me use a combination of a whole lot of professional techniques that helps the body to gain back its ability to heal itself. Now, what are these techniques that I use? Amongst others, you see me use chiropractic techniques for spinal adjustment, spinal modification. You see me use reflexology. You see me use acutherapy. I also use herbalism, that's herbs, depending on what ailment a patient is dealing with or working with. I use herbs to help along with these other therapies to put the body back in a state. And of course, you know me, I'm a yoga instructor, so I use yoga also, yoga, breath work, and meditation. Wonderful techniques I use, all to get our body back in the position where it can heal itself. Because yes, that is very, very possible. No matter how bad an ailment is, no matter how no matter how horrible things may look, I tell you, you can with true discipline, yes, you can get your body back to heal itself. Because we can't run away from toxins, we can't run away from ailments and diseases. But if your body is well fortified, then it's able to fight whatever is external ailments that wants to come and combat with it. Okay, so now for me, I specialize in flow of blood. Remember, without blood, we're not alive. So that is our life force. In traditional Chinese medicine, it's called qi. Blood, we just call it blood, we call it life, we call it flow. Fluids in our vessels have to flow. And that is why I do what I do. All of my techniques helps the fluid in the body to flow properly. So there's any part of the body where there's any stagnancy of flow of blood or body fluid or oxygen or anywhere where the blood is supposed to flow properly and is not flowing, my techniques, my specialty is to help that part of the body to regain back itself, and there'll be free flow of blood. Now, that's why from my own angle, it's holistic. You may actually come with, oh, I have backache, but I'll work on your body as a whole, because that backache may just be an offshoot of something that is happening in the leg or on the arm or in the head. So I do a holistic treatment so that wherever there's blockage, there will be free flow of blood. And at the end, we would always get 100%. Oh, thank you so much, Dr. Feishayo. Now, what is this feedback? Now, the feedback is we kind of have some form of ailments some few times after we have started treatment with you, Dr. Feishayo. What's happening? Okay, now that's that's a very, very good topic to raise. Some people fall sick. Some people, okay, this part of the world is Nigeria. Some people have malaria. Some people have a whole lot of ailments. Some people might even have like flu. That's catarrh or cough or something that will come up when we have started treatment. This is very possible. Now I tell you why. The reason why is most of we adults live a very sedentary life. Yes. So the joints, the muscles do not get enough activity, and so a whole lot of blood and fluid that should be moving. You sit down, you eat, you sit down, you're driving, you sit down, you're watching TV. A whole lot of things are done sitting down. So the flow is not as it should be. So there's always a stagnancy somewhere. But now with my treatment, by the time I start, this stagnancy has to rise up like, hey, you're not supposed to be here. Move, move. And that's what's happening. While these fluids are stagnant, what happens? It gathers itself together and becomes toxic. And that's why we feel pain. You don't feel pain where there's free flow. It's just like a flowing river. It says that a flowing river gathers no moss. So, sorry, a rolling stone gathers no moss. Where there's movement, where there's activity, you have little or no pain. So what happens with most adults is we don't have that activity level. So when you come for treatment, I work on every part of your body, from the head to the toe. I work on every part of the body, and then blood starts to flow properly, oxygen starts to flow properly, your lymph nodes start to flow with fluids, and all of the toxins that have been laying fallow for so long now begin to flow. And toxins are supposed to leave the body. My treatment is supposed to help toxins leave your body. So that's what's happened. The toxins are getting themselves out of your body. And what is the offshoot of that? You feel sick. It's your body fighting. That means, in fact, that's a good one, because that means your immune system is good. It means that the white blood cells are also, which are supposed to protect you, are actually protecting you. So they are fighting. And now that goes, all of those toxins go to your bloodstream. They go to the bloodstream and they start to flow. And then they flow out. And so that's why most of the time after treatment, some people go to pee. Our bladder, the urinary tract system, is like a suck away pit. Some people go to pee, you pass it out, and then you falling sick or having flu or having feverish, any form of fever, is your body telling you that you are expelling a whole lot of things from the body. So I'll tell you, please don't stop treatment. Or don't go back and say, oh, this thing is not working. Or maybe it's worsening this case. No, it's not worsening the case. Your body is expelling toxins. That's what is happening. Yes, your body is expelling toxins. So it's just a matter of time. 1, 2, 3 days, if you're able to adhere to whatever I tell you. Remember, discipline is my watchword. That's part of my core values. Discipline. If you cannot discipline yourself in a whole lot of things, you are not ready to achieve or gain any form of result. So the illness-like feeling you're feeling is not going to last from even up to a week. You have it, I give you some herbal medications, or we reduce some of the treatments so that the body will regain back itself, and that's it. And when this flow goes on, and that's why I use yoga, you continue with yoga, because there are a whole lot of muscles that people don't even touch. A whole lot of muscles. So this yoga stretches helps you to get to the deep part of the muscles. The meditation helps your mind. The breathing helps to give every form of your cells rich oxygen. Yes, because your blood has to be oxygen rich. Your veins, your vessels have to have oxygen-rich, nutrient blood going through it. So that's what my treatment helps you to do. It helps you to eliminate toxins from your body, because that's what makes you fall sick. That's why you have pains. You have so much toxins in your body. Yes, your body has stored so much. So my treatment helps you to eliminate it. And there's no way it can be eliminated, but through the same body. It's eliminated through your sweat, it's eliminated through the bloodstream. So you have all of those feverish feelings, you have all of those flu-like feelings. It's very, very understandable, I know. And that's why I'm using this video, to make you understand that it is valid and there's no cause for alarm. Alright, so with this, I'll ask you to share my videos. As always, you do not know who might need it. Any ailment and every ailment, almost every ailment, is preventable. There's nothing nature cannot help you with. So share my videos. Let your friends, your family, even your enemies, like I say, know about it. Tell people about what I do, and I'm just a DM away, or you give me feedback, and we'll work together, and we'll always be grateful at the end of the day, because you'll get back your health. Don't worry, I'm going to bring on a particular month where it will be all about testimonials. Yes, that we have had. All right, so you share my video, put on your notifications so whenever I put on a video, you always get it. You know what's coming up next. All right, so from my end, I love you all. Stay blessed. Bye.